In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit categories in QuickBooks Online Chart of Accounts. If you need to rename an account, change how it's classified, or organize it under a parent account, QuickBooks makes that possible right inside the Chart of Accounts. This is an important task because the Chart of Accounts controls how transactions are grouped and how they appear on reports like your profit and loss statement or balance sheet. So as you go through this process, make sure you understand the impact of each change before saving it. To begin, go to the gear icon in the top right corner of QuickBooks Online and select Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts and categories currently in your company file. Depending on how many accounts you have, the list may be fairly short or quite long. Next, locate the specific category or account you want to change. You can scroll through the list manually, or if you want to save time, use the search bar to find it more quickly. This is especially helpful if your chart includes many similar account names. Once you've found the correct account, look across to the far right side of that row. In the Action column, click the drop-down arrow, sometimes called the caret icon, and then choose Edit. This opens the account settings so you can update the details. From here, you can modify the name of the category. This is the display name that appears throughout QuickBooks, so make sure it clearly reflects the purpose of the account. You can also adjust the account type and detail type. These settings determine the broader classification of the account, such as whether it falls under income, expenses, or banking. This part is especially important because changing these types can directly affect where the account appears on your financial statements. If you're unsure, it's a good idea to review carefully before making that change. If you want to organize accounts more neatly, you can also make the account a sub-account. To do that, select the option that marks it as a sub-account, then assign the appropriate parent account. This is useful for grouping similar accounts together and keeping your chart more structured and easier to read. After you've finished making your changes, click Save and Close. Your updates will be applied immediately. That's all it takes to edit categories in QuickBooks Online Chart of Accounts. Just remember to double-check any classification changes, since even small edits can affect reporting and account organization throughout your books.